Hey loves, in today's video I will be creating this beautiful rose inspired nail art using gel polishes from the Your Sugar Gold Vin Rouge collection, as well as silk and light cyan Swarovski crystals. I am using the Your Sugar gel polish in 615 as a base for all of the nails in this set. It is a really pretty peachy nude. I am applying 3 coats, curing each one for 30 seconds. Now I'm using the L-BOST nail liner brush to apply a line of the Your Sugar gel polish in 666. After curing for 30 seconds, I'm applying my first coat of the black polish. I will be doing 3 coats of this polish as well, again curing for 30 seconds each. Trying to get this split even was so annoying. I kept going back and forth. I did the best I could and I think it came out pretty even. To seal in my design, I am applying a thin layer of the Model 1's No Wipe top coat and curing for 30 seconds. These beautiful rose decals are from the Frankie 24 sheet butterfly and flower water decal set on Amazon. On the middle nail, I am doing a V-cut French tip. So I did this backwards. I applied the decal, then the top coat. That's okay. I just want to protect the polish so nothing will stick to it while I'm doing the other nails. For the nail on the ring finger, I will be putting crystals all over it. So for that, I will be using the black gel polish as a base. On the pinky nail, I will be doing a straight black square on the tip. Then I will go in with the decal and later on with the crystals. I will also be repeating this design on the thumbnail. Here is a close-up of the crystals that I will be using today. To the left, you have the silk Swarovski crystals, and to the right, you have their light cyan crystals. They are so pretty, and they're going to be a great addition to this nail art. I am using the Gadgets Entrepot LED UV Rhinestone Gel from Amazon. And I am going over it with a layer of the Model 1's No Wipe top coat. For the placement, I will be alternating the colors. These nails are gorgeous. Red and black are two of my favorite colors, and roses are one of my favorite flowers. I'm so happy I was able to incorporate these things into this nail art design and create this set. Let me know what you think of this nail art down below in a comment. Check the description for all of the products that I used in today's video, and until next time, bye loves!